Hi, it's Ian Thompson at RE/MAX here on Vancouver Island, and it's my pleasure today to show you this great house on Sunset. It's one of those houses where you think, hey, I wonder what it's like inside. It looks different than all the others, and when you're inside, you'll see it has 2 primary bedrooms, or it has room for a home office, big garage, hardwood floors. Let's have a look inside. One of the things we're seeing today in real estate is families coming together to buy a home, and that makes sense because prices are high, right? If you buy this home together with your in-laws per se, you could have a primary bedroom just up these few stairs with a great sunken tub, and this is a second primary bedroom with its own 4-piece bath. Now you might be thinking that's great, Ian, that there's 2 primary suites, but as just my partner and I, we don't need that. Then you're gonna like this space because it's perfect for a home office, and who doesn't need that? There's room for a big desk there, a big desk here. Of course, you got a little bar fridge there in case you need some refreshments, all in this terrific space. Solid wood floors throughout the home, and this great living room with a fireplace has nice high ceilings. Rounding out the house is this generous sized kitchen with a sliding door leading to the nice flat backyard. So what an option this is when you put it all together. 2 primary bedrooms if that's what you need, a large home office, and a nice living room with solid wood floors and a detached garage. Wow, it's really a pretty good opportunity in a terrific part of town. This is a rare option that deserves your attention. Call your agent today to book a viewing at this super home on Sunset Road.